Ew, I need to get my nails done. But I do my nails. So I gotta do my nails. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. We're going to be doing an opening of a Walmart beauty box that I get quarterly. That is 4 times a year. And these are $5 a piece. $5 and shipped. No, $5 plus shipping and handling and think process and getting to you undamaged and, you know, $5. We keep it simple. Walmart. I mean, that's probably not their motto. Their motto is probably, you think we have it in stock, but really we don't. So you came to the store for nothing. Why don't you just pick up something else? Anyway, I do this every Thursday and Sunday. So if you are new, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you are not new, hi, hello, welcome back. You know how we do this. We're just going to go ahead and move along. It's noisy this time. I'm okay with that. Let me grab my handy dandy knife because this is shrink wrapped. They always shrink wrapped it then? I don't think so. Shrink wrap comes to my mailbox. Oh, I get it. We open it together. It's a process. Walmart Beauty. Cute little box too. I like this. Let's see what we have in store for this quarter. If I can open the box. Oh, hello. You know, and it's some things like this and what I got in my last one. If you didn't watch the last video, you better go watch it because it makes me wonder. These boxes, they're geared towards women, aren't they? Just because it's beauty. But let me tell you, there's a lot of fellas out there, probably, at least that I know of, who are a bit more into beauty than I am even. So we should probably broaden our horizons. Anyway, let's see. This is everything I got in my box. I'm going to pull out the little card. And inside this, it's of course the Spring 2021 Walmart Beauty, hashtag Walmart Beauty box. And inside this little card pamphlet doodad, it gives you a rundown of the things you got or could have gotten. So it's pretty cool. It gives you like a little bit of everything, which I think is neat. So on the back, I guess it gives you a little bit about the box. Sorry, I was hogging it for myself. It says what's fresh for spring. You can visit walmart.com/beauty new arrivals to check out this season's latest and loveliest finds. And for the summer 2021 box, it is the Mindful Beauty box. Has a limited edition assortment of products made with ingredients that you can feel good about. Yeah? 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 I'm gonna try and see if I got the things in the card here and go off of it because it actually gives me some prices here. And the first thing I've seen on top of here, which is the Wild Primrose by SCUNCI Hair Accessories, retails, depending on where you live, I guess, from $4.97 to $7.97. And that's these little cuties right here. So $4.97 to $7.97 is the price that I paid to get this box to me. The price I paid for all of these additional items too, which is really cool. And these are super cute. I don't think I remember the last time I used this scrunchie. These are cute. Oh, I'm hogging them again, but in my defense, hear me out here. These are cute. Look. Okay, so this one has like the cute little bow and it's just a plain brown one. This one has like the snake skin kind of shimmery texture to it. This one is velvety. Oh, so cute, like a cream velvet. This one is your classic leopard cheetah animal print. And then this one is just your standard cream. It kind of feels silky. And that's actually really nice. I wonder how much they are at my local Walmart. I kind of want to take a peek, but that's okay. I don't have to. I'll take your word for it. It's $4 to $7 something. Thank you, Walmart. That's pretty cool. I might actually get some use out of those on account of I've been dealing with these guys and they're stretching. Let me tell you. Okay, so there's a next item that also caught my eye in here. I've seen people use these. I've never used them myself. They are the Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette. And this is the full-size item. It retails for $7.97. You get 32 strips in here. They are easy to apply nail strips that deliver a strong, shiny gel mani that lasts up to 14 days. I don't know about that, but I have seen people use these, and oh yeah, it gives you the instructions on the back too. And I've seen people do this like while we're working at their desk. It is so crazy how easy this is. And I'm over here coat under my light, coat under the light, coat under the light, coat under the light, and then it's just, but these people, all they do is put it on, clip it, file it, and go. That's it. It seems too good to be true. So how to apply, you just prep the area. I'm assuming you clean it, like your nail. I don't know where else you're sticking these, but your nail. And then you select the size. So just take these, hold them over your finger, see which one will fit best. And then you apply it. Looks like you apply it from the back to the front. Does that make sense? From the cuticle to the tip? That's better. And then you clip it down or file it down to where your actual nail is, and that's it. Cool. What does this say? Huh. Oh, and it includes a nail file. That's cool. To remove, all you have to do is gently lift off. So that's pretty neat. And this kind of color, texture, what have you, is really cute. I like that. How many is in here? 30? How many? I don't know. But these are really cute. If you can see, they're like a, not so much a Tiffany blue, but more of a turquoise, like a light turquoise. Because Tiffany blue is just a bit more powderier, but this, cute on its own. That is nice. And again, just to bring a point to this, this is the price of my box. A little bit more than the price of my box. So that paid for my box by itself. That's pretty cool. And I mean, no, I wouldn't have gone out and bought these by myself to try, because why? I have a whole freaking gel kit here. There, in that box right there. I have a whole gel kit here, so why am I going to go and buy these little strips when I just do it at home myself anyway? So getting in my box is pretty cool, because now I'm going to try it anyway. What else do we have here? So we did not get the charcoal toothbrush, but we did get the Hello toothpaste, which is pretty cool. Anti-plaque plus whitening fluoride-free toothpaste. It's a natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. That is cool. So it has no fluoride, no artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, dyes, sulfates, parabens, triclosan, hashtag brush happy. That's cute. I don't know if I've tried anything from the brand Hello, but that is pretty cute. And it's a decent size too. You could probably get quite a bit of uses out of this, but I might try it. I mean, I enjoy my Sensodyne, but this might be a bit better. Or I can just pass it on to the kids. They'll love this stuff. We'll see. Does it have the little thing on it so I can smell it? Can't smell it. It's got the protective seal. I'm pretty sure it's just like any other normal toothpaste smell, which is pretty cool. And that retails for, oh, it's not a full size. So the full size retails for $4, but this is a travel size, so I'm imagining $3, because that's how the world works. Anyway, what is that? Oh, that's kind of weird. Like, over here you have like what you got, a little synopsis, the price, and then over here nothing. It's just what it is. Cool. So I guess let's move on. Oh, that is so tiny. I don't think I've ever gotten a sample size that small. But okay, there's probably more plastic to contain this than there is product in the container, but whatever. This is the Olay Ultra Rich Moisturizer. And we got 5 grams, 0.18 ounces. Doesn't say how to use it on here or in here. I'm assuming you just take it out and slap it on something. If you can open it, oh my gosh. Can't smell it. That's pretty cute. Oh, one more thing. What? That's cute. Actually, I got something. I don't even know where my box. I don't know what to do with it. So, let me rewind. This is from Hard Candy. It is a Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer for 12-hour makeup grip that plumps, moisturizes, and perfects. Cool. I actually got what I believe was a full-size item from Hard Candy in the last box. Crazy how I remember that, but it was pretty cool. I liked it. I believe it was a setting spray. So that'll be pretty nice. I've seen the brand Hard Candy, but I haven't had any like desire to actually try it. But that's still pretty cool. I mean, it's a teeny tiny size, so I mean maybe 1, 2, 3, depending on how much I want to prime. We may get a couple uses out of this. So that's pretty cool. Does it say how much the full size is? Oh yeah, the full size is $7, so it's not bad. And then, excuse me. Oh, I have a couple of these. I don't care for these. I have like 2 of these sitting somewhere. They're from Tanologist. Face and body drops for medium tan. And I know I've been complaining about how light my skin has been getting, but I don't want to tan it. I want to go in the sun and enjoy life that way and tan, not with some kind of drops. But that's pretty cool, I guess. Gives me the option. Maybe I'll try it. Self-tan drops. The more drops you add, the darker your tan. Oh, it's designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, or body care. Huh. I didn't know that. So what happens if I do this and I use it with like my lotion, but then for like a week I forget to put lotion like on my face or like on my arms, or like I put it just on the top of my arms real quick for like a week. Like, are the back of my arms gonna be pretty pale? I was just wondering. That's everything I have in my Walmart beauty box. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm putting these nice and neat so you can see. 5. That's not gonna go in. That's 5, 6. That didn't really go in the way I wanted it to, but that's cute. 6 little things I got in my box. I thought I normally got 5. Is it 6? I thought it was normally 5. I think they just threw in that Tanologist thing to either bother me or to like as an added bonus, which is cool for me because I mean I like free stuff most of the time. But yeah, all of these little things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 altogether. I think that's a pretty good deal. And out of this box, I'm probably gonna use like 4 of the items for sure. I can't say the other 2, like the toothpaste, Tanologist, But I mean, we'll see. Things could change. I don't know. You don't know. I don't know. We don't know. Let me know if you got the same thing in your Walmart beauty box. I know, based off of this card, you could have gotten a couple different things. But yeah, this is what I got in my box. Let me know what you got. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here because I'm rambling at this point. I've ran out of stuff to talk about. I will catch you next time though. Remember, we do this Thursday and Sunday. Bye!